Hi guys, now I am grown to be more and more comfortable around deep learning and its implementation in real life. Deep learning has proven to be a very challenging field in great future. After finishing up our deep learning, we've started with NLP module where we can understand how can we make use of text or our own benefits and generate sentiments out of it. This field makes use of text data from all social media platforms and help in solving problems widely. We learned sentiment analysis, email spam detection and topic modeling. We have also got an idea on how to build chatbots and translating one language into another, which is very interesting. In my internship, I am currently engaged in a data collection phase where we have to collect news articles from various news platforms using web scraping. And then we have to plan on building a news classification system out of it. The on-ground exposure from this project has been really amazing.